This video is going to demonstrate the 6 main movements of the shoulder joint. The first 2 are best viewed from the side. Flexion, so you start with the arm hanging by the side, palm of the hand faces towards kind of the hip area. And flexion is moving the arm forward and up by the head. Slowly without compensating or moving the neck, that's flexion. And then lowering it back down to where it started. Extension is the arm moving back and up behind. How far can you lift the arm away from the back? Everybody's different. Some people can hardly lift in this direction at all. This is shoulder extension. Next 2 are viewed from the front. Palms face forward for abduction, A-B-D. Abduction is with the palms facing forward, the arms moving out to a T, and continuing up as far as you can go comfortably. Coming back down. And then adduction, A-D-D, is the opposite movement. So instead of moving the arms away, in adduction, the arms cross towards the center. And abduction will be much less if the arms are down because you kind of run into your body, versus if your arms are up shoulder height, you can see how I can adduct much more if my arms are up higher. And the last 2 are rotational movements in the shoulder. Again, I'll show you from the side view. You're going to bring your arm, the arm is in a 90-degree bend and it's level with the shoulder. Palm faces towards the floor to start with. Nice straight wrist. External rotation is the movement of the hand up and the arm rotating out or externally. This is external rotation. Everybody's different. And then if I go back to the starting position, internal rotation is the opposite. Keeping a nice straight wrist, keeping the elbow as high as the shoulder, you start to bring the forearm and the palm of the hand down, the shoulder rolls in. Again, everyone's different. Some people have really little internal rotation and more external. Some people don't have much in either direction. And those are the 6 movements of the shoulders. I'll go through them one more time. Flexion, forward and up. Extension, backwards. Abduction, palms forward going out. Adduction, crossing towards the middle. External rotation, rotating out or back or towards the head. You can also do these lying down or seated. And then internal rotation, it's the opposite of external, rolling the shoulder in or down.